Hello, friends. So, talking about the recent trends in our economy, we have seen a very disturbed FY21. Uh, Largely, it's characterized by COVID-19, which induced a GDP contraction of 7.7% in India, as per the recent estimates. And we have seen huge liquidity stimulus packages by Monetary Policy Committee and fiscal measures as well, leading to fiscal deficit to a very high value, more than 6%, and overall reaching even higher if we include the state deficits as well. And in addition to these, there has been a lot of unsustainable off budget borrowings as well, which should also be taken into account when we look into the economy, the stability of the economy. So FY21 has seen all these disturbed characters, and these we have to make a comeback in FY22 with vaccination rollout in process in the coming weeks. It is expected that the economy will be at the pre-COVID levels and further expand. Estimates are that next year, because of the low base effect of this FY21, there will be a growth rate of more than 10 to 15% on the nominal terms of GDP. That is something which is promising. However, we need to be wary that this is largely because of the low base effect. So, ideally, it should be the base should be taken from FY20, I suppose, and that would give a more real picture. Now, the budget is in the coming month, and a lot of provisions will be made. But a very important point the government needs to keep in mind is the fiscal battle plan needs to be very clear, because a lot of stimulus and all, a lot of liquidity measures taken, liquidity surplus in the economy, leading to undue inflation and undue pressure on the people of the country. Those needs and difficulty on the stability of the economy. So those things are to be taken care of. Proper adherence to fiscal FRBM Act, and proper measures are to be taken. There is a golden rule which needs to be adhered to, that whatever expenditures, consumptions are happening by the government shall be financed by the revenue of the government, and the investments in capital formation shall only be financed by can only be financed by borrowing, apart from revenues if possible. So those things are to be kept in mind, and definitely revenue deficit needs to be further reduced. And with such discipline, we need to move ahead uh, in the coming FY22, along with pushing the economy further, controlling the inflation with a bit of monetary tightening in terms of what we have done this year. So a reversal of acts are expected, and next year we need to uh, make the economic financial stability, our economy more stable in terms of all the economic parameters. So that is expected in FY22. Thank you.